doing that.
Hey, look everybody, this is Eric and Seth for Planting Seeds
This
for
is
Life.
Eric and Seth for planting seeds for life.
Today we're going to be planting
Tomato.
no, these are peppers. These are hot peppers.
Well, I
They're
want,
jalapenos.
but I want to grow these ones today.
We're going to grow these too. We're going to grow this
Are we going
and
to grow that one
eggplant and basil and
that kind of stuff?
and
Jalapeno.
jalapeno.
Papa John loves those,
Yes, I know he does.
but he
Now-
loves to eat them.
Can you be quiet so that Daddy can tell him what he wants to tell him? Okay. Now, this is our tip for the day. These three were 99 cents a piece, and this one was $2.29.
Yeah.
And our tip for the day is that you need to go get them at the end of the year when people are closing out their sales on gardening stuff, because 99 times 3 is 297 and 229 is like, it's like a total of $5 or maybe a little over. And when we purchased these at the end of last year at our local hardware store, we paid $1.52.
Daddy,
And so
look,
that's our
it's
tip
so-
for the day. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.